I'm Yujing, Mandarin teacher at Holland International School. At HIS, we are proud to be a recognized school for the international program curriculum. The IPC. A core mission of the IPC is to nurture true global citizens with a deep sense of multicultural understanding. We are able to provide lessons to diverse students who are learning Mandarin as native or an additional language. Our program is designed to build both fluency and confidence. Students engage with Mandarin in dedicated lessons 5 days a week to develop strong communicative skills and literacy while fostering a deep appreciation for the culture. We are not just teaching a language, we're helping to shape a bilingual, bicultural global identity. So, what does learning look like in our classroom? It's interactive, it's meaningful. Our students learn through games and team activities. They discover through cultural celebrations, stories, music, art, and daily communications. And to ensure our curriculum remains visible and aligned with global standards, we are excited to announce a new partnership. We will be launching the YCT course, which is the certificated course from HSK, the world's leading standard for Chinese proficiency skills. This collaboration will provide a clear framework for our students' progress and outstanding achievements. Thank you.
我在中文课做腾龙做乐评很好玩。